How to enable dark mode on CoinMarketCap app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the CoinMarketCap app on your device. Then you can just go ahead and click on markets on the bottom left, and you can see the profile icon on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then you can see theme immediately. So you can see the light, dark and system theme. To change your theme or mode into dark mode, just go ahead and click on one of these. So if your system is already in dark mode, you can just go ahead and tap on system and you will immediately see the dark mode. You can also find the dark mode under settings. Just go ahead and tap on settings, and as you can see there is theme. You can just go ahead and select the theme of your wish and it will instantly be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.